Welcome sa asset9.com. In this video ay magsimula tayo ng panibagong series, no? Ang series natin on divisibility. So ibig sabihin, i-discuss natin yung mga methods, techniques, or strategies para malaman kung ang isang number ay divisible ba siya ng another number. No? And hindi lang yung method o yung strategies o yung procedures, no? Yung i-discuss natin, kundi i-discuss din natin bakit ganon, no? Bakit mayroon tayong ganong rules, no? For example, paano ba natin malaman if a number is divisible by, for example, is 25,642 divisible by 3, no? Divisible by 3. So, paano natin malalaman if this number is divisible by 3 without actually dividing this number by 3, no? Without manually dividing. So, bali yan yung i-discuss natin sa series na to. And I think yung pinaka-simple is yung divisibility by 2. Divisibility. Paano natin malalaman yung ang isang number ay divisible by 2. So, tignan natin, no? Pag minultiply natin yung number, any number by 2. So, 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 2 times 4, 2 times 6, or 2 times 5. This is 2, this is 4, this is 6, this is 8, this is 10, no? What else? 2 times 6, 2 times 7, 2 times 8, 2 times 9, 2 times 10, and then 2 times 11, 2 times 12, 2 times 13, 2 times 14, 2 times 15. This is 12, this is 14, this is 16, this is 18, this is 20, this is 22, this is 24, 26, 28, 30. Tignan natin kung may nakikita ba kayong pattern. Pwede nyo i-pause yung video, tapos tignan nyo kung meron kayo makikita pattern. Okay, so hopefully na-pause na ninyo yung video. Now, kung makikita ninyo, ang pattern na I think very obvious is yung makikita natin yung units digit niya, no? Yung ones digit na 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. No? So, susunod dito, umulit ulit na naging 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. No? And then 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. So, pwede nyo itry, no? 16 up to 20, 2 times 16 up to 2 times 20. Makikita nyo na uulit pa rin yan. So, ang pinaka-conjecture natin dito, no? Pinaka-hypothesis natin is that number is divisible by 2 if the units digits are 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. No? Now, tanong, totoo kaya yun? Kasi hindi naman natin matitest lahat ng numbers. No? So, notice na pag nag-multiply tayo ng dalawang numbers, no? For example, nag-multiply tayo na. By the way, bakit sila bago tayo magpatuloy, bakit sila divisible by 2, itong mga numbers na to? Because the factors, one of the factors is equal to 2. No? So, pag nag-multiply ka ng 2 by any number, this number will be divisible by 2 kasi meron kang divisor na 2. No? If 2 is a factor, then 2 is a divisor of a number. No? So, ibig sabihin, any number na minultiply natin by 2 ay divisible by 2. No? So, we have established that these numbers, no, are divisible by 2 because 2 is one of the factors. Now, question. Yung conjecture natin kanina na if a number is divisible by 2, then the units digit are 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. No? Or if the factors, or if the units digits of a number are 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0, then they are divisible by 2. No? Tignan natin pag multiply tayo ng number. For example, 12 times 14. What happens? So, 4 times 2 is 8. And then 4 times 1 is 4. Then 1 times 2 is 2. and then 1 times 1 is 1. So, this is 8, this is 6, this is 1. Tama ba? So, 48 at saka 12. Now, notice that the number, the product of the units digit ay mapupunta dito. No? Itong product nitong dalawang to ay mapupunta dito. At palagi, pag nag-multiply tayo using this algorithm, bababa yan. Wala siyang katapat dito. No? For example, 18 times 16, kumari. So, ang 8 times 6 is 48. Ang susunod na product natin ay ito na. And then sa baba, ang product natin ay 6 times 8 is 48, carry 4. Ang 10 ito, di ba? Tapos yung 1 times 8, dito na siya. Dito na siya. So, palaging walang katapat yung ones digit natin. Ibig sabihin, to test if the numbers are, the product of these two numbers is divisible by 2, is just to look at the product. No? Itong ones digit lang. Ito lang titignan natin, yung dalawang yan. Hindi natin kailangan itong mga ito kasi ang bababa dito ay yung product ng dalawang numbers. No? So, ang titignan lang natin ay ang units digit. And kung makikita natin dito sa dalawang linya na to, na-test na natin na all possible units digit kasi ilan lang naman yung digits, di ba? 10 lang naman. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, tsaka 0. Yun lang naman yung mga possible numbers sa units digit. So, dahil 10 lang naman yung digits natin. Ibig sabihin, from there, naubos na natin yung mga possibilities. Yan yung proof kung bakit any number with digits 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0 is divisible by 2. So, yan yung ating katunayan bakit divisible siya by 2. Okay, so from there, from that explanation, pwede natin masabi na any number with 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0 as unit digit. Ang unit digit, ibig sabihin ones digit, no? Yung pinaka nasa right hand side ng number. Digit is divisible by 2. Any number with 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0 as units digit. Our unit digit is divisible by 2. No? So, ngayon, madali lang natin ma-distinguish if a number is divisible by 2 by just looking at the units digit. For example, is 25,682 divided by 2. Divisible, sorry. 6 is 25,680 divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. So, titignan lang natin yung units digit niya. This is one of these digits. Is this digit one of these digits? And yes. No? This is isa siya dun sa mga 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0. Therefore, it is divisible by 2. Okay, so hindi natin kailangang alamin yung mga digits na tens up to kung ilan man yan. Ito, kailangan na natin tignan yung units digit. Okay, so example 2. Is 926,245 divisible by 2. Hindi siya dun sa, wala siya dun sa 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. No? Wala siya dito. So, therefore, the answer is no. So, ang sagot natin dito ay yes. At ang sagot natin dito. Okay, so I think yan yung pinaka-basic na divisibility rules. Pinaka-basic na divisibility rule. Sa susunod siguro, tignan natin yung divisibility by 5 or by 3. No? Titignan natin kung alin ito sa dalawa yung mas appropriate. Siguro by 5 kasi yun ang mas madali. Okay, so I hope meron kayong natutunan dito sa video natin. Gusto ko yung invite sa ating YouTube channel, no? Mag-subscribe kayo. We have more than 800 videos uploaded as of this recording. And ito yung ating address na youtube.com/user/zip9ph. So, kaya search nyo lang sa YouTube yung zip9. And then, dito rin yung ating Facebook page, facebook.com/zip9ph. Pwede nyong i-search yan. Ano? And of course, in-encourage ko kayong mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel dahil palagi tayo nag-upload ng bagong videos every day. Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.